Hello, welcome to my channel. Today in my video, I crocheted leaves in 5 patterns. Let's go to the video. Magic ring, chain 2, eight double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch into the middle. Go to the first chain we made, single crochet, and 2 half double crochets into the same space. Go to the stitch between the first chain and the double crochet and 2 double crochets. Two double crochets into every stitch. Here is the last chain we made, 2 half double crochets, and single crochet, slip stitch into the middle, chain. Chain 8, chain 2 more, go back to the 8th chain and 5 double crochets. Go to the next stitch and double crochet. double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, chain 2, go back to the same stitch and slip stitch, go to the next stitch and single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, subscribe to Loop and Hook for more videos. Five double crochets into the same space. Slip stitch in between the first chain and the double crochet, chain, chain 6, and 3 more, 2 double crochets into the 6th chain, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, chain 2, go back to the same stitch and slip stitch, go to the next stitch and single crochet, go to the next stitch and half double crochet, double crochet, two double crochets into the same space, chain 3, and slip stitch into the same space, chain, magic ring, chain 2, 16 double crochets into the magic ring. Slip stitch in between the first chain and the double crochet. Chain 1, half double crochet into the next stitch. Go to the next stitch and double crochet. Chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, half double crochet and single crochet into the same space. Next pattern, single crochet and half double crochet into the same stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2 and double crochet into the same stitch. Go to the next stitch and half double crochet and a single crochet. Next one single crochet and one half double crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the next stitch, half double crochet and a single crochet into the next stitch. Follow the steps of the second petal for the fourth and the fifth petals. Go to the next stitch and slip stitch, chain, chain 10, skip 1 and single crochet into all 9 chains. Go to the first chain and slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, three double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch, chain 4, go to the first stitch of the other side and slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next video.